Pão de queijo is a small, baked, cheese roll, a popular snack and breakfast food in Brazil. Pão de queijo originated from African slaves. Like many other Brazilian foods, slaves would soak and peel the cassava root and make bread rolls from it. At this time, there was no cheese in the rolls. At the end of the 19th century, more ingredients became available to the Afro-Brazilian community, such as milk and cheese. They added milk and cheese to the tapioca roll, making what we now know as pão de queijo. It is also widely eaten in northern Argentina and is inexpensive and often sold from street-side stands by vendors carrying a heat-preserving container. In Brazil, it is also very commonly found in groceries, supermarkets and bakeries. Industrialized, freshly made. Recipe: 1/2 cup olive oil, about 1/3 cup of water, 1/3 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 cups tapioca flour, 2 teaspoons minced garlic, 2/3 cup freshly grated Parmesan cheese, 2 beaten eggs. Preheat oven to 375 degrees F. Pour oil, water, milk, and salt into a large saucepan, and place over high heat. When the mixture comes to a boil, remove from heat immediately, and stir in tapioca flour and garlic until smooth. Set aside to rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Stir the cheese and egg into the tapioca mixture until well combined. The mixture will be chunky like cottage cheese. Drop rounded 1/4 cup-sized balls of the mixture onto an ungreased baking sheet. Bake in preheated oven until the tops are lightly browned, 15 to 20 minutes. Preparation: pão de queijos are formed into small balls, around 3 to 5 centimeters in diameter and about 50 calories in each roll. The cassava flour is a powerful starch which is key to the texture of the pão de queijo. Unlike other types of bread, pão de queijo is not leavened. Small pockets of air within the dough expand during baking and are contained by the elasticity of the starch paste. The tapioca starch used in pão de queijo makes this snack gluten-free. Varieties of stuffed pães de queijo with catupiry, hot and melted goiabada, doce de leite and other variations can be found in Brazil. Availability in Brazil. In Brazil, pão de queijo is a popular breakfast dish and snack. It continues to be widely sold at snack bars and bakeries, and it can also be bought frozen to bake at home. In Brazil, cheese puff mix packages are easily found in most supermarkets. Japan, East Asia. Pão de queijo arrived in Japan with the dekasagi. It is usually made with rice flour instead of the cassava starch.